Yeah, it's a lovely evening, Easter, and here we have the Easter lilies, as they're called. It's spring in Karmøy, my hometown, Iceland, not actually a town, but a place. It's also where I have my second studio. It's over here. It's a barn I saved, I would say. This is the old tree I planted many years ago, and it springs out now. Strangely enough, it's quite cold here. It kind of used to be like this tall. Now it's like this, and I love that because it tells me about how time flows. This is where I grew up, and this is probably where I'm going to die. There it is, the apple tree, and strangely my brother wanted to cut it down, and I stopped him, luckily. And it yields the kind of wild apples, very sour, very good in cake, and it's popping out now. Spring is in the air, and I really think this is so lovely. This tree is now, I think it is about, well, it must be 90 years old or something like this. It's almost like a bonsai because it has been cut down and broken, and almost like it reminds me of a oak or something like that. And I just love trees.